Oops! Hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click to subscribe now so you won't miss any coming attractions and ding the bell. It really helps grow small channels like ours. Hi, I am Steve, and I am retired from working for others and living in the Philippines as a pastor and married to my wife Beth. We oversee a ministry started by her father and continuing today among a growing number of churches and educating future generations of pastors for these same churches. I will be 77 years old in about a week. At 75, I was morbidly obese and had a host of age-related chronic conditions, including but not limited to depression with suicidal ideation, brain fog, prediabetes, inflammation and joint pain, toenail fungus, and gingivitis. My highest recorded weight was 256 pounds at 5 feet 8 inches tall. I had listened to the advice of doctors, my government, and the pharmaceutical industry. As many are aware, the advice was laced with lies, greedy agendas for money, power, and control. Health was not their priority if it ever was. From watching a single video and reading a suggested book, I was absolved of guilt. I had been lied to and now had been shown the truth. What began as a journey of essentially the Atkins or ketogenic diet picked up intermittent fasting, eating 1 or 2 meals a day, to full-blown carnivore lion's diet. As I continued to follow the path, I stopped calling it a diet. I began referring to it as a lifestyle, since it was not a short-term desperate dash to lose weight but a long-term way of eating. Whoa. And looking at my health in much broader terms. I started paying attention to the chemicals in my environment, shampoo, toothpaste, and cleaning products, while eating just meat. Without hesitation, I looked into grounding and 4-7-8 breathing over a steak. I often claim that the 101 pounds that I lost was the most visible but least of the benefits. First was the mental clarity. Gone was the brain fog and depression. I think like I did when I was 20. You cannot accurately explain this to people in words they are able to understand. The only way to get it is to experience it for yourself. This is freedom. This is living again every day. This is your joy returned to you. Next was clean labs and blood work, accompanied by an endocrinologist who questioned the way of eating by saying everybody has their own opinions but didn't oppose it based on results. Without my consent, she prescribed statins, which I refused at the pharmacy. To the overweight cardiologist who mused, I might have to take a closer look. In less than a year, I was healthier than I had ever been, having reduced or reversed all my conditions. I started this YouTube channel to help others. If I could help others avoid mistakes and shorten their journey, I would call it a success. Walk with me. I'm inviting you on a journey of health. You are welcome here. It's your safe place. You might be looking to heal your mind or your body. In your pursuit of one, you may find the other. Regardless of how you got here, you're invited to stay. Pull up a chair, wrap yourself in a blanket, and get a hot drink. Do whatever makes you comfortable. More than my channel, it's our channel. You'll get to know me and meet new people or familiar friends as you sit. I hope to bring the community to you. Please join the discussions, like the content, and subscribe not for me but for yourself. Together we will discover mind, body, and spirit connections to encourage one another on life's path. Welcome to your family.